Learn the dua when you finish eating your food. First, before we start eating, we should always say Bismillaah with the name of Allah. Allah is the one who provides us with all the food we eat. And when we have finished eating, we should thank Him and say this dua. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. All praise is for Allah, who fed me this and provided it for me without any might nor power from myself. Listen and repeat to learn it with us. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. Let's say it again. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. Let's say it again. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. Let's say it all together for the last time. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa. Remember to say it every time after you eat, inshallah. And did you know there is also a dua to say if you forget to say Bismillah? Remember to learn this dua too. Listen and repeat. Bismillahi fi أوله وآخره. بسم الله في أوله وآخره. بسم الله في أوله وآخره. Look out for more duas to learn, inshallah.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something new. Please like the video and share with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next video. Stay keen!